today. I make some saltfish fritters on fried button. I mean, start timing something already. Yeah. In my saltfish fritters, I have saltfish, I have pepper, scallion, thyme, and onion. Yeah. So this is what I'm going guys. Eat it. Yeah. And some plant there. Like a fire plant, so you don't know about this already. Guys, so y'all see that video, yeah? You know me start the camera yeah, video. And me, I don't know what the camera stop. I only check it up while Missy says stop. Catch him up right now, so you understand how I did. Yeah, you know, like video. Video where you go see you mix up the starfish on the floor and the ground season. You understand how I did, so everything mix up in this. Yeah. So guys, when you're soon finished frying. Soon from now, then I'll go finish guys, so stay tuned and watch what I got. Golden brown guys, golden brown. Yeah guys, saltfish fritters. So guys, I'm gonna take out the one here now. Yeah, I'm gonna take out the one here. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on for the finishing look at my saltfish fritters. I want you to drop a comment and tell me what you think about it. Yeah guys, so I'm going to take out them one soon from now. They can't come out now, but I just make them, you understand, get like a more color on them thing there. All them look good too. Take out the first one. Yeah guys, so look on the sausage fritters. They look good not true, and them big. Yeah. You know, like jumbo. Guys, I'm gonna put in some more, so just watch how I go on in the kitchen. Stay tuned, I'll be back. Yeah guys, so me put in the last 3 little one. You understand what I did? Yeah. The last 3 little one that, so I be a badness. Be a badness. Then go and fry, you know. Saltfish fritters and fried plantain. Yeah guys, so them wanna look now. Yeah. Then take them time and catch them color. You understand how I did? Yeah. Them are gonna come out proper. Don't know about this guy already. Jamaican style. Guys, stay tuned, I'll be back. Yeah guys, I'm gonna come on the seat and get it brown and pretty. Yeah guys, them soon can come out now. You see that them soon can come out, so soon from now me just get them out. Yeah. Yeah guys, look. Look how my saltfish fritters fat and pretty. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do now? I have one plantain. I go fry the one plantain with it, so stay tuned and watch out. Guys, just one plantain me cut up and fry. I understand all these nothing up. Yeah. Only one plantain. Yeah guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look guys. As you see, I will take them out now. So stay tuned for the finish. Yeah guys, so the finishing look, the saltfish splitters, my fry plantain. See that? Yeah. Saltfish splitters and fry plantain. Yeah guys, see you in our next video guys. Bye.